Thinking about cleaning your car but don't know exactly which product to buy? Well, you came to the right video. As you guys can see, my car is super dirty. I haven't washed it in about a year, so I desperately need a car wash. So I decided to take it to Amazon and I brought 5 different products. And I gotta tell you, these products makes my car completely brand new. This is a hybrid ceramic wax, a ceramic spray coating, a glass rain resistant spray, and something for your tire to keep it nice and squeaky clean. Now I brought a car wash kit, so it comes with the mitt, it comes with the soap, and it comes with the drying towel. All for a reasonable price. All products will be linked down below in the description. But anyway, step number 1, you gotta wash the car. Now, quite frankly, you could stop it right here, but we want to take it a step further. This is the time to apply the wax, the ceramic wax and the coating. This is going to provide you protection and durability. It's going to also increase the depth of the color. It's going to make your car stand out. That wax always makes your car looks like brand new. This is really where the magic happens. So you see, your car is looking brand spanking new, just like the day that you got it, day 1. But why stop there? We gotta show the tires some love too. The spray from Car Guys, this is gonna provide extra shine to your tires. You should always change your windshield wipers every 6 to 12 months. I have my car for 2 years now, since 2019, and I never changed my windshield wipers before, so I picked up the Rain-X. First thing you want to do, you want to remove the wipers, your old wipers that is. You lift up, you want to lift up the wiper, and then there's like a little latch. It's like this little latch. You want to push it down and you want to pull the wipers up. I'm actually holding the camera, so I'm not gonna have like a good leverage, so I'll be right back once this is removed. All right, so this side is off. All right, this side right here, the level or the little switch on the bottom popped off. So just my luck, I'm gonna have to take like a screwdriver and actually take it off that way. And this is how the new windshield wipers look like, and this is how the old one looks like. Now I want to test out the windshield for the very first time. So you guys see, the windshield is not like that residue, not residue, but you know how the water, sometimes you have a little bit left. This completely wipes it off. But yeah, the wipers are really good. Rain-X is a reliable brand. I highly recommend it. And you notice the water on the car is like, it's still wet. Let's not beat around the bush. It's still wet, but it's just like it's sliding off, so it's not as much water. So you see how foggy my mirror is? But yeah, essentially that would be able to not have so much water on the mirror itself, so you could be able to see. Sometimes it could get bad to the point where you can't even see nothing. So yeah, having that is actually pretty good, but I'm gonna have to put that to the test, of course. Now, something to keep in mind of, I want to point out, you got to worry about the dust. So every now and then, wipe your car with a microfiber cleaning cloth. I throw that link in the description too to that. Basically what causes the dust, so when cars drive by fast, like the dirt from the ground from their tire just splash onto your body, and then when you brake or when you're driving, sometimes just dust, regular dust. The wax is not gonna protect that, so that's just something to keep in mind of. And there you have it. That's how you clean your car, making it look brand spanking new the same day that you got it day one. And yeah, from the tires to the body, everything looks so shiny and glossy. It's really that nice. So these products work 110%. I'll throw a link in the description. Drop a like on this video, subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on, and until next time, guys, peace.